So let's say you want to make an anime short video with some sort of motivation going on in the background, like maybe get up early in the morning, do your homework, or serious things on how reading books is good for our minds, etc. With these simple instructions, you will be presented with a motivational script based on Stoic principles that will also be easy to understand for the viewers and not some fancy gibberish that will make you and your audience feel dumb. Now that our script is done, we need a voiceover, and the voiceover has to be human-like and not some robotic voice that sounds like we are having a motivational discussion with Siri. Nobody wants that. But behold, because I have got you covered once again, since the tool I am going to share with you will ensure a much more human-like voiceover, and that is ElevenLabs. Out of the many AI voiceover tools that I have tried, ElevenLabs is the one that I find does sound much more human-like and realistic. Plus, they also offer good monthly plans for their customers. They have a variety of voices that you can choose from for your motivational video. Click the Voices tab on the left side of the screen and browse for the voice you like. I suggest staying away from seductive ones since they completely change the genre of your videos. Just saying. Once you have found the desired voice, paste in your script, hit the Generate Voiceover button, and watch the software do its magic.